Yo, what's up, y'all? C Tech, and today I had the Samsung Gear IconX 2018, the black versions. Now, if you didn't know, what you probably already know, but I already had the gray ones, and I actually lost those like back in March or something like that of this year, 2018. Wait, yeah, it's 2018. So now we're gonna do it again. Alright guys, so we're at Ye Olde unboxing table here, and I'm excited for this one because I miss my IconX so much, guys. Like I had to use my Level U Pros, and like that's not bad. It's still Bluetooth and everything, but I sure did miss these. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. So I just want to say something real quick. I have the ZTE Blaze Z Max here, and that's when we use a pair of this. Now you can't do this with an iPhone, and I did do a video on that. And you can do it with like an iPad and an Apple Watch, all that. So just go and check out the video. I'll leave a link down below and the little thing that pops up at the top. So yeah, I have my iPhone right here. So let's go ahead and just get into this thing. So we're gonna go ahead. Actually, you know what? Let's look around the box real quick. So Samsung did not update it for 2018, which kind of sucks, and neither did Apple for the AirPods. It's kind of weird, but I also did have the other IconX here, as you can see here. But let's get into this thing. So we have IconX here on the front, and then on the side we have some design here. On the right side, we have 5 hours of streaming and 7 hours of MP3, and then we have a fitness tracking and running coaching, voice commands, and ergonomic and secure fit. And then we have some information at the bottom here, and at the back it just tell us that we got the earbuds and a charging case. And at the top is just nothing except for this handle, which is actually pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. So let's go ahead and just cut this tape here. There we go. Let's go ahead and cut that too. There we go. So let's go ahead and just get into this thing. Oh my god, man. Oh man, I miss these things so much. And I got the blacks because, well, I already got the white or gray. Sorry about that. But I got the black because I thought, well, maybe it won't be as noticeable. So probably not, but we have the charger case here, which I definitely remember. So let's go ahead and get into this here. Actually, I'll just put that to the side for now. But I do a lot of videos on this, but now I will. So now we have the IconX here. Man, I miss these so much. And let's go and get into the rest of the box. So there we go. We have the quick start guide here. Let's get that out of there. Actually, no, let's not put that there. We're gonna throw it over there because nobody's gonna read it, right? So we have some extra ear tips here and wings here, so like you can, you know, fit your ears better, I guess. So that's pretty cool that they include those. And I think that's it for that. So let's go ahead and get into this little box here. I'm pretty sure that's like the cord and all that. And what you look at that, we had the little adapter here. It should come with 2 adapters. Like, yeah, there we go. So we have the cord here, which is USB Type-C. So really nice that it has USB Type-C. And if you look at these, we actually have the micro USB here, and we have the USB Type-C adapter. And I think that's it for the box here. So let's go ahead and just set that aside. And then, like I said, it's a relatively long cord. Like, I already got one of these because, you know, I already got the IconX, but it's relatively long and I like it. It just doesn't come with a wall adapter, obviously. So yeah, that's that. So let's go ahead and just put this to the side real here. Wait, hold on a second. You might need that. So let's go ahead and just carefully cut this here. And also, I'm gonna get a tile so I make sure I don't lose these things. And like, if I do lose them, I could just like make a noise, something like that. So I might do a video on that. I don't know yet. So there we go. So now it's open. So what you gotta do to get rid of this is just press the button here, and there you go. But all you gotta do to put them in there is just put them in there like that. So find the left and the right and just put it in there, and then go ahead and close it. And now it's charging, or not. Pretty sure it's dead like last time. But yeah, that's the IconX, guys. So I just want to go ahead and show you that. So I am so excited to use these again. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll do more videos, stuff like that. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.